This week in AI, we're seeing one clear trend across industries. Artificial intelligence is no longer experimental. It's becoming operational, measurable, and in many cases, unavoidable. We start in heavy industry, where global mining giant BHP is showing what real-world AI deployment looks like beyond pilots and demos. Instead of asking where AI could be used, BHP asked a smarter question: which decisions do we make every day, and what data would improve them? By embedding AI directly into operations, BHP now uses predictive maintenance models to spot equipment failures before they happen, cutting downtime and improving worker safety. AI-driven energy and water optimization has already saved massive resources, while autonomous vehicles and smart wearables reduce human risk in dangerous environments. The key takeaway here is simple but powerful. AI works best when it's placed exactly where decisions happen, in real time, not buried inside reports. From mining to finance, investment banking is also getting an AI upgrade. BNP Paribas has rolled out an internal AI system designed to streamline one of the most time-consuming tasks in banking: pitch preparation. Instead of rebuilding decks from scratch, the AI searches past presentations, market analysis, and deal history to surface relevant material instantly. The result is days of research compressed into hours, giving bankers more time for strategy and client judgment. Importantly, this isn't a flashy chatbot. The system is tightly controlled, grounded in internal data, and requires human review before anything reaches clients. It's a glimpse into how enterprise AI is evolving, not replacing expertise, but accelerating it safely inside regulated environments. That same theme scales up dramatically at JPMorgan Chase. With an $18 billion annual tech budget, the bank now has over 200,000 employees using its internal AI platform daily. AI benefits are growing by up to 40% each year, powering everything from instant contract analysis to investment banking decks generated in seconds. But JPMorgan is also unusually transparent about the trade-offs. As AI agents take over complex multi-step tasks, the bank expects operations roles to shrink by at least 10%. At the same time, new roles are emerging, from AI context engineers to knowledge specialists. JPMorgan's story highlights both sides of enterprise AI: massive productivity gains paired with workforce disruption that companies can no longer ignore. Which brings us to the human side of the AI revolution. Across the US workforce, AI literacy is quickly becoming a core job requirement. New research shows that while many employees expect AI to change their roles, far fewer feel prepared to use it effectively. The difference comes down to training. Companies that invest in AI education see dramatically higher adoption, confidence, and retention. Workers are more loyal to employers who help them learn, remove financial barriers, and provide flexible education benefits. The message is clear: AI alone doesn't reduce pressure. Skills do. Without training, AI increases stress. With it, AI becomes a tool for growth rather than fear. Finally, we look at construction, an industry sitting on mountains of untapped data. Contractors overwhelmingly believe AI will transform their businesses, even though adoption remains relatively low today. Early use cases like automated proposal writing, contract risk analysis, and progress tracking from site photos are already proving highly effective. Rather than replacing human judgment, AI is helping teams focus on strategic decisions instead of repetitive admin work. Concerns around accuracy, security, and data quality remain, but momentum is building fast. With pilot programs expanding and budgets being allocated, construction appears to be approaching a tipping point toward AI-powered workflows. Across mining, banking, construction, and the modern workplace, one conclusion stands out: AI success isn't about hype, bigger models, or flashy demos. It's about embedding AI into real workflows, pairing it with human oversight, and investing in the people expected to use it. That's the real story shaping AI's future right now, and we'll keep tracking it here on AI Currents.